This method enables assessment of exploratory behavior in terrestrial vertebrates when presented with only chemical cues. It is adaptable to many species. Y mazes provide insight into behavioral and ecological questions in vertebrates that enable researchers to determine the relevance of specific stimuli driving animal behavior. Y mazes are highly adaptable and widely useful to assess animal behavior, especially preference and modular behavior. Demonstrating the procedure will be Gretchen Anderson from USGS. Begin by placing new, clean scenting paper in the Y maze that is long enough to overlap at the junction of the Y and cover the entire bottom surface. Secure the ends of the papers near the boxes and the Y junction with masking tape. Install the partitions to block half of the base arm. For large scenting animals, affix a heavy object that can be easily removed and cleaned behind the barrier as a brace to prevent barrier failure. Then, install the barrier at the entrance to the opposite arm. When installing the barriers, do not rip the scenting paper. Slide the acrylic top into place one section at a time and ensure that the angles meet completely. Use clear plastic tape to cover any gaps. Attach both arm boxes to the maze by connecting the faceplates with wing nuts or padlocks, and ensure that the doors are locked open. At a time of